I thought I was done for some reason, but I just finished part 1 earlier. So I'm actually going to do part 2 now. Okay. Goodness gracious. So that was part 1. It took me so long I thought I was done. Upon completion, 2 things immediately become clear. First, the disk definitely has a lot more contiguous free space, just like the amphipod hoped. Second, the computer is running much more slowly. Maybe introducing all of that file system fragmentation was a bad idea. Huh. Oh, it is. Yeah, I guess I'm fragmenting. I'm not defragmenting it. The eager amphipod already has a new plan. Rather than move individual blocks, he'd like to try compacting the files on its disk by moving the whole files instead. This time attempt to move the whole files to the leftmost span of free space blocks that could fit the whole file. Attempt to move each file exactly once in order of decreasing file ID number, starting with the file with the highest file ID number. There is no span of free space. If there is no span of free space to the left of a file that is large enough to fit the file doesn't move. The first example from above now proceeds differently. So we're starting with the 9 blocks. They move there. Then the 8 blocks, they can't go anywhere. Then the 7 blocks, they can go there. Then the 6 blocks, they can't go anywhere. Then the 5 blocks, can't the 5 blocks go right there? Can't the 5 blocks move to there? So we move the 7 blocks, then the 6 block doesn't move, then the 5 block. I mean, can the 5 block not move right there? I'm confused about that one. And then the 4 block. Oh. What? Okay, 9 block. Move to there. 8 block, can't move. 7 block. Move to there. 6 block, can't move. 5 block, can't move. 4 block, move. 3 block, can't move. 2 block. Oh. 4 block, and then 2 block. Okay, so this one is different. This one is different. Part 2. Let's see. 2858. Part 2. It might change a bit. It's definitely going to change a little bit. So part 1 decompresses. That part stays the same. The defrag. I'll call this defrag by block. I'll have another one that's going to be defrag by file. I have another one that's going to defrag by file. I gotta use the bathroom. defragging by file. Defragging by file. So it's going to be similar. This time I might want to join. Well, yeah, this time I might actually want to join decompress. I'll call it this decompress to blocks. Then I'll make another one that decompresses to... Now, how long are these going to be? They're going to be pretty long. Maybe you don't want to smash them together then. I don't think you want to do that. Oh boy. And we'll have IDs, so it's going to be the last thing in the disk. Or length. That's going to be the ID, that the current ID that we're looking for. And let's find like how disk.length -1. And then while I oh yeah, just do another. I'll call this disk or file end. File end. And I'll have file beginning. File begin equals while file begin is greater than or equals 0, and disk file begin disk file begin equals current ID. Let's just check that real quick. Defragment by file. And I'll run that with the sample. Why didn't that print out? Oh, because I'm not running part 2 yet. $14 is what we're getting. And what does what does it look like? Disk. So we got 14. Oh, that's right. So we got 14 for the last chunk, and it's actually 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That's right. Nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. I was just trying to make sure I wasn't like off by 1 or something. Okay. So we also need to do this. Oh, it's already fragmented. Why is it already fragmented? Well, that's what we got in, so. So we decompress it. Let's print that out again, just to make sure. Oh, we are. So we're saying 2, and that's right, it's 2. Okay. And we also want to, it's always going to end in a file ID. So that's how, we got how long it is. File length equals file end minus begin, file begin. Right? So that's our file length. Now we want to search from the beginning. Int new begin equals 0. While new begin, while new begin is less than file begin minus file length. And disk new begin doesn't equal -1. Plus new begin. That's going to give us our new beginning. And then that's going to give us our new beginning. That's going to give us our new beginning. Now to get our new ending. New end equals new begin. Yeah, while new end is less than file begin and disk new end equals -1 and new end is less than the file length plus new end. So we got our new beginning and our new end. If new end minus new begin equals file length, then yeah, we can just swap them, I guess. File length plus I temp equals disk. Wait. Yeah, we're gonna swap each little spot in there. Temp is gonna be the. We're gonna swap the new ending. Yeah, whatever. New begin plus I. New begin plus I. Disk. New begin plus I equals disk file begin plus I disk file begin plus I equals temp. Just like that, and that should swap it. That should swap each one, and then after you do that, you go to the next ID number. So I kind of have something going on here. Let's see if it works. Like, kind of. So defragment by file. Let's print it out after. It should defragment something. It didn't defragment anything. It totally should have. So we got the file length. We got the file length 2. Now let's print out the new end and the new beginning. Or the new beginning and the new end. Two and two. See, that's not right. Whoa. The new end is going to be less than file begin. That's right. And the new end is less than file begin. That's right. And disk and Why don't I enter this loop? Did not enter the loop. Why is that? New end is less than file begin. New end. Let's do this. Yeah. Whatever. New begin. Print out this. We'll just print out each of these conditions first. So that's true. That part's true. Oh, new end minus new begin is less than file length. That's what I want to do. So this should now defrag the 9s. Oh, it didn't get all of them. Why didn't it get both of the 9s? New end. I think I have an off by 1 somewhere, maybe. Well, print this out. I'm pretty sure we're doing that. Or we got that, pretty sure. True. So the lengths are equal, and we just need to loop through. I think we need to go file length plus or less than or equal to file length. Yeah, that was it. Okay, and then you just need to do this whole thing for each ID. And luckily the IDs are in order. They go from 0 to the whatever the value of the last number is. So if I want to be super ghetto, I could just put this whole thing in a loop and go int max ID equals disk at disk dot length -1, and then go for int ID equals max ID IDs greater than or equal to 0 minus ID. So that's the file ID that we're after. File end is going to be, so we might want to find this. So for each ID, we have the ID right there. Just not like so instead of this, yeah, instead of that we'll have something like maybe have this outside file in file begin. File end. And then instead of having current ID, should have ID. And we need to get file end and file begin to the right positions. That's actually going to stay the same. So I'll do it like this. File end, we'll say, yeah, this is going to be really ghetto, but I'll clean it up. While file end is greater than or equal to 0, because we're going to be moving to the left, and disk file end is not equal to ID, move that sucker to the left, file end. And then I can just say while file begin, this is going to be moving to the left as well until this one doesn't equal the ID. Seems like that would work. No. So we get 9. Interesting. So we're hitting the IDs. 9's getting moved properly. Something's not getting updated somewhere. So we do that. The file length is the file end minus the file begin. So let's do a little debugging here. File length. Whoa. How is that happening? Yeah, we're doing something weird, huh? File begin. So that one's correct. And then we get some weird stuff. I think we need to start it just back at 0. Why don't we just do that? Put these inside. It'll be ghetto at first, but we'll fix it. Yeah, there'd be a better way. So that still didn't work. Interesting. File end. So we're not getting those right. We're not getting those right. What the heck? Let's print out. So what is going on here? File begin. File end. So here we're saying yeah. What? Oh, you know what? To this after. Is that it? Oh, we missed an 8 somehow. That's weird. File begin equals file end. Huh? So the first one's 2. What the heck? Oh, okay. So we're getting length 2 for the first one. Well, why are we still printing out 9 twice? I have one print statement there. The 8 is 3 long. That's right. The 7's 3 long. The 6 is 3 long. No, the 6 is 4 long. The 5 is 4 long. So the lengths are good. We're good to here. The lengths are good. So we're moving the 9s, and then we're moving only... We're only moving a couple of the 8s, which is weird. Let's move the 9s. Let's print at the top of the for loop. Well, they're getting declared every time, so we're starting at the end. So we're saying begin at 35, end at 38, 41, 42, or 41, 40, 39. We should be beginning at 39. Oh, something's off. 39. Because the end is 41. Yeah, this one's going to be slightly different. We want to break. Else we want to subtract file begin. And I think if we do the same thing, same thing. Oh, that was not it. Don't do that then. So I think you do want to do this. Oh, yeah. See how the 8 got down there? The 8 should not be there. So the file beginnings. How long is this? Let's print that out. How long is the disk? It is 42, so 41 is the right index. 41, 40. Should be 40. And then I should just add 1 to the length. So I want it to be 40. And we will go less than or equal. And so, yeah, I am going to do what I just did a second ago. If else break. And then I might have to do something similar. 42. How did that happen? Maybe I do want to say less than down here. Nope, same problem. Same problem. No, because that length is actually right. That is the right length. New begin. Maybe I should do +1 here. What if I did that? And did file begin +1 as well? This is weird. Freaking off by 1s, man. Okay. Where'd the 9 go? What the heck? What? No. How did the 8 get down there? Oh. So the 9s make it down. Oh, but the 8's it's bringing the 8 with it. It shouldn't be doing that. I want the indices. I want file begin and file end to be the actual indices. Or file end. Make file end greater than 0. File end minus 1. Why is it even minusing disk file 1? What the heck? It should be actually 42 now. Disk file M is not equal to ID. No, you can't do that either. Oh wait. Did I not get rid of this? I don't think this is going to work either. Yeah. What line? 65. On 83. Yeah, now. There we go, I think. No! The 8 is down there. Wait, where did that 8 come from? Oh my gosh, dude. $42. No, it shouldn't be 39. Oh, this is so messy, dude. Probably gonna take a break if I don't figure it out in the next 30 minutes. If so we got 42, 39. 39 is not what I want. How do I keep getting 39? File begin. Or what if I loop from the front? Yeah, what if I did that? It'd be kind of... I mean, either way, it's ov-in. File in equals 1. I'll say file begin, so just look for file begin first. File begin equals 0. while file begin is less than disk.length and disk file begin is not equal to id plus plus file begin. And then down here you're looking for the end now, so int file end equals file begin plus 1, and then while file end is less than disk.length while it's less than disk.length and disk file end is equal to id plus plus file end, and that should give me the length. I think that was it right there. Just not moving the rest of the stuff. So 40 to 42. Is there 4/8? Yeah, there's 4/8. The sevens should move. Yeah, the sevens should definitely move. Okay, and then I'm doing new begin basically the same way. File length. New begin equals 0. New begin's less than file begin, first of all. Yeah, minus that file length. Yeah. Or let's do this. Print out the ID. And print out the new begin. Yeah, 8 wants to start at 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. What? Definitely shouldn't. New begin is file begin. What? Oh. Actually, I only need one more. So I'm going to do file begin. File begin. I'm going to do file end. And then new begin. So for 8, the file begins at, let's see, 41, 40, 9, 8, 6, 7. What the heck? That's not right. How did that happen? What? 8. File begin 0. File begin, file end, new begin. Yeah, 40 to 42 is definitely correct. And then on the next iteration, we're on 8. We say file begin is 36. This is 41, 40, 9, 8, 7, 6. Oh, that is right. 6 to 46, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. And we say new begin is 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's not even right. New begins less than file begin. New begin. What? Let's put this out. True. Then this what the why are we getting new begin 4 0 1 2 3 4 oh that is right. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right. Okay, so new begin actually looks right. New begin actually looks right. That's what you gotta do. It can be less than or equal to. Disk new end. I don't know about that. Because the 7s should totally be moving down here. So I think we're right up until here. For sure. Until new begin looks correct. Yeah, the new begin would be 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And there's not enough room, so yeah, there's not enough room. So then the 7s should go here. The 7s should go here, but they're not making it into there. The 7s should go here, and we say 7's file begin is. Oh, we have to keep searching. We got to keep searching. Oh my goodness. Yeah, we have to search. We got to keep on searching for space. Oh, man. This part's right. This part's fine. Now I can just say while. Yeah. So how can I keep on searching and look for a window big enough? Ugh. So you want to look, find an empty space, and then, you know, find how big it is. Is it big enough? No. Then set this guy to that and then keep going. Oh yeah, okay. guess I can just do that. None of them are length 0, so. And then take this part. And say, well, new begin is less than file begin minus file length. You're gonna like kind of do that while new begin is less than file begin and new begin, and then new end equals new begin plus 1 if new end minus new begin, this is so ghetto, dude, equals file length, we can break, we're done. Else set new begin equal to new end. Okay, 7 got moved that time. It was what was the answer supposed to be? Not even close. What am I supposed to do? Yeah, the checksum. So 7 got moved. This should be the result right here. Let's see if our result matches our resulting array. So we got 0, 0. Let's just bring it over. 0, 0, 9, 9, 2, 1, 1, 1, 7, 7, 7, negative 1, 4, 4, negative 1, 3, 3, 3, negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, space 6, 6, 6, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. What? That should be right. That matches. Why am I not getting... Am I not printing it out? What am I printing out? What? Dude, what? Is the checksum the same? Because this looks the same. This is literally the same. Right? Yeah. That's what you end up with. Oh, you know what? It's because I don't continue. Now you need to continue instead of break. And that should give me 2680. Or 2858? Yeah, 2858. Alright, try that with the big guy. Let's not print it out though, it's huge. Try that with the big data, and I feel pretty good about this. I should need to clean it up. It's a big old mess. Dang it, my answer is too low. My answer is too low. But I matched the... But I matched the sample. Come on, man. I don't think it's an overflow problem this time. It says my answer is too low. What does it look like? Oh, that's right. Yeah, a good way to tell is if you have like separation. I don't see any separation there. I don't see any there. Do you think I'm overflowing along this time? It's not like impossible. Do you think so? I think I might be. Could. Like, just see if you have any separation. You do, right? Oh, yes. There you go. Maybe try with big integer. I feel like I shouldn't be overflowing. Oh, what the heck is going on there? How did that happen? We have some separation here. We have some separation. How did this happen? Oh! Wait. No? How did that happen? Yeah, we have like some separation here. How did that happen? Yeah, I don't know how that happened. 9947. Let's print out the disk before fragmentation. And we're looking for 9947, which is going to be at the end. Well, they're right here, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. And there's 6 of them in there. One, two, three, four, five, 6. How are they getting split up like that? How are they getting split up like that? Let's find out. So when the ID is 9947, and that might not be the only place either. So what am I interested in seeing? the file length first of all. So ID file length. Well, really, I'm just care about 9947 right now. So we get the file length right here. If ID equals 9947, print the file length out. And it should be 6. It is 6. Okay, so let's print out the new file length. New end minus new begin. Let's just print out new begin new end. So it's a file length of 6. The difference of that is 6. So let's print it out after. Let's print it out right after. This should only print once. First of all, let's check that. Good. So let's print out the raised dot string disk. Let's print out the disk at that moment. See if it's getting screwed up after that or something. It's possible. 9947 1 2 3 4 5 6, and it comes right before 71. So somewhere down the line it's getting screwed up. It's getting screwed up. Something is getting swapped. Somehow something's getting swapped with 9947 again. Well, I'm swapping right here, so it's one of these. It's one of these two. If ID equals 9947, let's print out. Gosh, this is such a mess, dude. Let's print out disk new begin. Why am I doing that? Yeah, new begin plus I. That's right. Plus I. No, not ID equals. Let's print out this. If this equals equals 9947. I want to know what ID is that happening on. When does that happen? And why? File begin. Let's print out this too. Or if this is that too. So let's print these out. or get rid of these. Let's get rid of. Looks like we've already gotten rid of that. On 71. So on 71. On 71 it's getting swapped. 71 is getting swapped. Why? Why is 71 getting swapped? What's the other one in there? One of these should be ID, and one of them should be -1 every time. Let's look at what the thing looks like as soon as we read it in. Like how... Oh man, this could be huge. That was not helpful. And how long is 71? I already see it. 71 is one long. And somehow it's getting swapped. So let's see how many times that's happening actually. I want to know how many times is that kind of thing happening. So if new begin is not equal to ID, and this one's not the ID, actually, yeah, so one's going to be the ID. Wait. Well, new begin should be -1. If this is not equal to -1, and disk file begin plus I is not equal to the ID, then we have a problem. We got a problem. How many problems do we have? If it's just one, you know, I have a feeling it's gonna be more than one. Something is off with my loop invariance. Let's just goodness gracious. How many problem? There should be a problem somewhere. Oh, or just do it or. If this one's not -1 or that one's not the ID, we got problem. We have a bunch of problems. How is this happening? It has something to do with files of length 1, I think. What if I change this to -1? Does that do anything to fix my problem? No. Okay, I got a lot of problem. Wait. That doesn't seem right. How many problems? Is it printing every time? I think something's wrong with that. We got problems. How many problems. 486. Okay. I believe that. I believe that there's 486 problems in here. And I believe that that will probably be the same if the file length is 1. File length equals 1. I believe it has something to do with this. If this is the same number. No. How is that happening? Newton could go out of bounds. I mean, I could add just like another check here. And, yeah, I mean, ugly. And something like this. Something like that. New begin doesn't equal -1. And yeah, you should put another and down there. And or that's an or actually. That's an or. Or does this fix my problem? The new beginning must equal -1. Now I got 0 problems. I don't. Do I trust that? Yeah, might as well. No, my answer is too high now. New begin must be -1 though. That's for sure. But now my answer is too high. Now my answer is too darn high. That's the answer I got earlier, right? What is it with the sample? Whoa, that's not even right. Yeah, you should have checked that. It's supposed to be 2858. Somehow it got bigger when I did that. How did it get bigger? I think something is still off. Well, I can check the sample easily. Let's look at that. What's going on with the sample now? After I defrag. Yeah, you can just run that one. Oh. Now we're not defragging a dang thing. Oh. This is supposed to be equals to -1. Okay, I think that's right. this will give me the white answer. Did I not submit this freaking answer earlier? This looks kind of similar to an answer I've submitted before. Yay! I freaking got it, man. This is ugly. We gotta clean this up. How long did that take me? Holy moly. How long have I been going here? How long have I been going? Like an hour? Man. Okay, let's make this better. Let's make this better. This is terrible. This is so bad. Let's make sure we get the same answer as we go here. Oh man. Really, the only bad part is this is good. This looks good. This part is good. This part looks good. Will it like... Yeah, I wonder... Will it cast that like to a long before? Okay, so all I gotta do is use a long. I don't need to cast the integer so long. Yeah, because this is just... This won't go out of... This won't overflow by itself. Okay, just gotta clean this big nasty thing up. Dang. This is ugly. Okay, where do I even start with this? For ID. Let's see. So this gives me the beginning and the end. This gives me the beginning of the end of the file. This part gives me like where I can put it. So maybe start there. Maybe start... Let's start there. Put this into methods. So find file or something. Find file. Do I want to make a class for this? We'll just use this. And put that stuff in there. And let's see what we need to bring with us. I know we're going to need ID and the disk. That's all we need. And this should return file length. Yeah. File begin, file end. Something like that. Find file, and I need to pass the ID and the disk. And then I can say int file begin equals file 0, int file end equals file 1. And then I can say and file length equals file end minus file begin. So that cleaned it up a little bit. Now let's get what do you call that? A segment? New location or something? Yeah, I don't know. Could be better. Find new location. Yucky. So it needs the file begin. And it needs file length and the disk. And this returns new int, new begin, new end. And what did I need to pass to that? Begin, length, and disk. And then new end. That should be new begin. New begin. Let's make sure that still works. Yeah. Still working. And then what is this part? Swap or move file. And that'll be a void move file. See what you need for that. You need file begin, and file length, and int disk. New begin. Does that still work? No. Oh, we gotta pass the args. File begin, file length, new begin, disk. Yes. Okay. Still don't like it. It's still ugly. I just kind of moved it up around. Let's figure out how to make this better. Maybe I can make helper classes. I feel like that's overkill. I feel like you don't need to do that. Look at all of this. You know, we got it done today. Oh. Let me make these private, because these should all be private. These helpers. Alright, well, did we make a test for part 2? I think so. Yeah. Yeah. Good enough for now. I'm gonna definitely... this is not good. This is not good. Works. I need to walk away from it for a little bit. I'll take a look at this probably like 30 minutes before day 10 comes out tonight. That's it for now.